viewers, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I'm going to be installing and reviewing this wig from IUZ Hair. Thank you so much to IUZ Hair for sending me this wig for review. Now, before we get into that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that sounds done, let's get right into the video.
We ain't gotta be lit right now. You the only one I see. Why the whole world go around, Let them tear the club up while we pullin' to the crib downtown. Girl, the way you rolled up, I'ma have to take a hit right now. Right now. Baby, we can turn it. We ain't gotta be lit right now. You the only one I see. Why the whole world go around, Let them tear the club up while we pullin' to the crib downtown. Girl, the way you rolled up, I'ma have to take a hit right now. Right now. Baby, we can turn it. We ain't gotta be lit right now. You the only one I see. Why the whole world go around, Let them tear the club up while we pullin' to the crib downtown. Girl, the way you rolled up, I'ma have to take a hit right now. Right now. Baby, we can turn it. We ain't gotta be lit right now. You the only one I see while the whole world go around, Let them tear the club up, I'll be pulling to the crib downtown. Girl, the way you roll up, I'ma have to take a hit right now, right now. Baby, we can turn it. We ain't gotta be lit right now. You the only one I see while the whole world go around, Let them tear the club up, I'll be pulling to the crib downtown. Girl, the way you roll up, I'ma have to take a hit right now, right now. Baby, we can turn it.
Okay, so this is the hair after I have installed it and, you know, worked my little magic on it. It is so cute. I'm really loving this like highlight bob look. It's super pretty, and this was a super easy install. Super pretty, super light, great for the summertime. I'm absolutely loving it right now, and I love the way it looks. It just looks so good. It really does just look so good, and I'm so happy with this hair. So yes, this is a lace front wig. It's more like a T-part kind of. It doesn't give me like all of this right here, like a full frontal. It gives me like the front part right here and then the parting space, and this wig is already pre-parted into this side part, which I'm kind of happy about because I probably would have just did a middle part. I never do a side part, so you know, trying something new, trying something different, and I like it. And you know, I think I did my little thing or whatever. This wig, so I'm just reading what it is. So I believe this wig is called Pacey. So it's beginner friendly side part lace bob wig in 180 density. I guess it does feel like 180 density. It's just that the wig is like short and a bob. And I believe I believe that this is a 12 inch. It's either the 12 or the 10. I'm not 100% sure. I just said it was the 12 because it is a little long. I would actually cut it in the back a bit because I don't know if you could see, since it is kind of long, it's flipping up on this side when I really don't want it to. I kind of just want it to be like, just like it hit right at my neck and just fall. I don't even believe it's like an asymmetrical bob, but I would probably make it an asymmetrical bob. Just cut off a little bit in the back, not a lot, just a little bit, just so that it doesn't do this right here. You know, that little flip. I want it to be, you know, I want it to be a little more like sharp. But besides that, I see nothing wrong with this wig. It is super nice, super full, and the color is really pretty. It's already highlighted, so I didn't have to bleach or dye anything. I didn't even have to tone it because the highlights aren't really brassy. So, you know, this is just how the wig is, honey, and it's so nice. This hair feels very, very soft. I did put heat in. The hair takes to heat very well. It's not fried, frizzy, or damaged. And I didn't use a heat protector, even though I should have, but I didn't. And, you know, the hair's still looking very nice, very cute. It looks very touchable, and it moves. Okay, stiff whip, stiff whip. So on the website, this hair retails for $159, but you do get free shipping over any purchase over $79. And I have a coupon code for you guys so you can save some money on your purchase. My code is Andrea15, and you will save an extra $15 on any purchase on the website if you use my code. So I will leave it up on the screen and down in the description box below, along with any other information about this hair if you guys are interested. So make sure you check that out. Okay guys, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave me a big old thumbs up. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
I heard they asking her the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a